This video is sponsored by Predictive Coach, protecting your brand, your drivers, and your bottom line. If you have an asset that you need to remove entirely from your system, but it has hours of service logs attached to it, you won't be able to delete it right away. You'll first need to purge the data from your system, which takes 6 months and some initial setup that we're going to run through now. First, we'll want to build a new group in our system so that only vehicles in this group have their data purged. Navigate to Groups and Rules, Groups, and name this something that makes intuitive sense when you're looking at it. For this example, we'll add a group under Company Group called Purge HOS Assets. Then we'll navigate to our vehicle with HOS logs that we'd like to remove and put it into our new group. Before you leave this page, I'd recommend changing the vehicle's name so that you know exactly when you can remove it from the database. Type in something that makes sense here, like remove after and the date 6 months from today. Since I'm creating this video on January 17th, and 6 months from today is July 17th, that's what I'll put into my vehicle name. Now we'll save our changes, and at this point you can go back and archive the vehicle if you'll no longer be using it, to keep your active assets list clean. Now we can set up a purge schedule. Come over here to System, Settings, Purge. Depending on when you set up your database, Geotab may have this setting automatically enabled to purge all your data that's older than a year. If you don't want this to happen, just click the X here and hit Save. In our case, though, we're going to leverage the fact that this schedule is set to purge data today, since a new purge schedule usually takes a week before it starts purging data, so we'll just edit the one that's already here. Click this for drop-down options, choose the new group we created, and then adjust these settings as needed. If you're looking to remove the vehicle entirely as soon as possible, change Keep HOS Data 4 to 6 months, and click Save. Once the time comes for you to be able to remove the vehicle entirely, navigate back to Assets, change the filter to show All, and find your archived asset that needs to be removed. Click Remove and Remove Asset, and then your vehicle will finally be removed entirely from your database.